Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. How to create a location in Workday. Location in the sense, guys, we need to understand. Take it as an example, the voice of the customer. We will see in the sense how to create a location and what are all things we need to maintain in the tenant access. To understand this criteria, we need to go to the main menu, and we're going to show you how to create a location today to you people. To create a location, most probably we're going to be use this create location for the new branches or sister companies related creations. We're going to use this location creation. To do this activity, we need to go to the search bar, enter CRAT, CREAT, CRAT, low CIDO. We will get immediately off create a location task. Have it up onto the create location task on here. Enter your location name. I'm entering my location name, Bangalore, and location usage. It's a business site and tap to on here. First, whenever you're planning to create a new location, this is the form of the creation, create a new location. These are all details we need to fill. One is details to the organization. Contact information to the new organization, business site details to the new organization. First, we need to fill with the location type. I'm going to select my location. It's a business site or corporate office or related to what is the site purpose of you creating. I need to sell it on here. As of now, I'm going to mention that was a business site. I'm just getting a new branch. Please do not consider KRK. Please consider only the business site. Since this is a training tenant like this, extra KIRK, extra things will be going to be added. Please do not consider this KIRK. Please consider only the business site for this option. Please select your department of whether it's in Bangalore, which Bangalore East or Bangalore West or South or not, which pole your organization has been started. You need to select on same. Please select the KIRK. I'm going to selecting, the South Pole related activity. But unfortunately, I'm not getting an option called P dot, South related activity on here. I received p.com, but I'm still selecting and Bangalore option was there. For that purpose, I'm selecting this option. Go with all active sites for the superior location. Have a select of Bangalore on here. Your URL, organization website URL. Three of the foundations of the global location number. That means the company location identification number. This is going to be and provide for the government. The local government is going to be and provided. If it is India, if it is abroad, this country is going to provide it to the unique code to your organization. What is mean by unique code? In the sense, take it as an example, we have in the market like networking, software, IT hardware, there was a 4 departments. Take it as an example, each department government is going to provide and one unique code to that particular branch. I'm just going to enter that unique code which government is providing to me. BMG is short for the Bangalore. I'm enter the code of the Bangalore. It's not taking a name. I'm just going to enter the code of the Bangalore. It's telling whatever the number he was entering that digitally, it's an invalid. That means the world is verifying that never whatever the global number we are going to providing. That's fine. I'm going to take from the Google is definitely the number was being unguided. I'm just leaving. This blog has an empty hazard flow. We need to enter the 13 digits that would be unvalidated and verified from the authorized government, from your local government. Since I don't have any number to showcase you people, but I find it through Google. But unfortunately, I cannot find the global location numbers on directory through the Google access. I can able to leave. This spot has an empty location identification. Yes, I can enter BNG short from Bangalore. And location. Once again, I need to select my location on here. Organization latitude, longitude, details I need to give. This is an optional. There is no star mark. You need to enter that manually. You can leave it as an empty if you know you can enter your latitude, longitude, latitude or latitude as well. Coming to the contact information, have it up onto the phone. Select your contact number. First, select your country. Enter your valid phone number. This is an extension number. What is mean by extension? You hope your people have been aware of the 6 digits of extension number phone device. Have a select of your mobile. The star blocks is very much important, guys. If you left the bloggers which is not, mark hasn't stuck, that's fine. But if it is marked hasn't stuck, if you leave, the blogs has been empty immediately. The ticket is not going to be and take it forwarded. Make this hasn't. I keep this as your mind on high priority. Enter your body of the email related to that. Please enter your organization address on here. We're going to entering the organization address on here. Capture your complete address number 1, 2 and 3. Post completing, enter your city name on here. Enter your postal code. Select your state of Bangalore. It's in Karnataka. It is related to your body of the email. The Insta Message website addresses you. People can keep on the same. Insta Messenger has been not that required. Post completing all these activities, come to the business site details. Please select of your time zone. Is your organization is 24 into 7 or you people having and you know any limitations to work on business? Work like weekly Monday to Friday. What's your business working as it's asking you people? I can select my time zone 24 into 7. That means 2 shifts. I have 24 hours and my location. I'm going to select India. The language I'm going to select on here, English, United States. Display the language is English currency. I'm going to select INR. External name I'm just giving here. Have a select of your location. Bangalore, whatever the details we are going to enter. All these details we are not going to enter as per our requirement. All these details. Received, the person going to give, and requested whether, if it is not available in the website. Also, that's not our boundary of to check. I'm tapping on token here to submit. I got in 3 others. Let me find phone number address related. Coming to the contact information, I forgot to tap has an enable of your premiums. The visibility I need to tap has an enable in this. The public I need to make. This option has been added only it will go to be an update in particular branch details. This is how we need to create, and you know the location that details has been captured on here. You people can see from here contact information, organization address and website, business site related activities, additional data and organization related details and information. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.